Welcome to Mad Clash, where motorcycle crashes aren't just accidents, they're full throttle mayhem. Grip it, rip it, and ride through the chaos. Bad weather conditions, limited visibility, slippery roads can easily cause crashes. Please drive safely. Woo! Ooh, why did she open the door like that? It was really dangerous. Luckily, the motorcyclist was not injured.
Why the f*** you opened the door? You don't see? It's her fault. Fucking dumb. Go.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh! Fuck!
The curve is always like that. The crash happened, but the motorcyclist handled it well. The grass must be wet to be so slippery. The motorcyclist was moving fast and lost control of his speed, ran the red light and crashed. He must have gone home and got a ticket. Please obey traffic laws.
Идем по народ. Эй! Зачем? Ты чё, долбоёб старый? Слышь, нахуй! Чё, охуел, старый? Слышь, нахуй! Долбоёб! Бро, я ничего не сделал, зачем он мой мотоцикл тягает? Ты знаешь, сколько краска стоит, долбоёб, сука, старый?
What made the bikers so angry? Were the Harley Davidson riders not wanting to be passed? Stay calm on the road. Oh my god, he crashed into a supercar. Can red brake fluid be cleaned off? Collision at an intersection without traffic lights. Luckily, the motorcyclist only suffered minor injuries.
Back across, there it goes.
Aired the corner 1 second late and skidded off the road. His protective gear saved him from injury.
Back across, there it goes.
I am not defending anyone, but please obey traffic safety laws to avoid crashes.
Oh, fucking stupid ass.
motorcyclist encountered an urgent situation on the road and he decided to follow the car driver to confront him. Watch the ending.
What can I do for you?
Do you wanna fuck around?
You're the one that's fucking around, dude.
You were in a fucking red light, and then you cut in front of me.
You're in the
you?
fucking turn lane, and then try to get in front of cars.
There's 2 lanes merging, you dumb fuck. 2 lanes merging. One car, one car, one car,
And I was
one
in front
car.
of you, and you speed up to try to get in front.
Motherfucker.
See me flinch?
Next time I won't fucking stop that close if you fuck around. Fucking knock him over his motorcycle. Fucking piece of shit. I
Off.
like you.
Off, dude.
Fucking asshole. You.
Oh my God, do you know why motorbike handlebars shake like that? Luckily, he's okay. Is it true that the car driver made a wrong U-turn? Luckily, the motorcyclist only suffered minor injuries. Receive karma immediately and literally. High speed and sharp turns caused a motorbike crashes. Luckily, only the vehicle was damaged.
The fuck, dude? Are you okay? Damn, lay down. Lay down.
What the fuck?
The motorcyclist met Karen on the road. Let's see what happens.
Did you just brake check me?
Over, buddy.
Why did you do this?
Right on my ass.
How was I riding on your ass? I wasn't riding. I got a f***ing camera on my face, you old hag. You got like 20 years to live at best, man.
Drive on somebody's.
I am not driving on your fucking ass.
Bullshit.
You. Get the f*** out of here.
Car drivers complain about motorcyclists cutting in line. Stay calm in situations on the road, bro.
I'm retarded, yeah. Yeah, but you know, the state let me have it. They said, you know, we feel so sorry for you. Man, what's wrong with you? I hope you have a good evening, though. I hope you have a good evening. Man, that's a kind heart you have, sir. That's very Christian of you. I'm not a Christian. Oh, that explains it. Okay, well, I'll pray for you, buddy. I'll pray for you.
The slippery road caused the motorcycle to crash. Luckily, his protective gear and helmet kept him safe. The motorcyclist angered the police, who immediately checked his papers and searched him.
No, cut the shit off. Get off the
Hold on.
bike.
Hold on, I
Get
got
off the bike.
music playing, okay?
Get off the bike.
I got you.
Get off now.
I got music playing.
Get off your bike.
I got
Don't
music
face me.
playing.
Don't
What
face
happened?
me. Hands behind your back.
Get off my car. Get off my car. Really?
What are you gonna do? I have a f***ing helmet on.
You got a bunch of witnesses everywhere, bro. Witnesses. Just think about that.
Get the fuck off me, faggot.
Road rage with biker. Had an argument on the road. Both calmly handled the problem.
Hold it, boy. You're on dash cam. You're on dash cam.
I'm
bro.
on dash cam?
Yeah. Dash cam.
Yeah,
bro.
look at your
Dash
f***ing
cam.
plate, you
Dash cam.
faggot.
Dash cam.
Karen is always right. On the road, stay away. That's my advice to bikers.
the price of engagement ring?
I can answer that.
Obstruction of vision caused the motorcyclist to not be able to react in time, causing a crash. Did the motorcyclist go into that old lady's forest? And she was so angry. Everything can be solved. Calm down.
No dobrze, proszę mi nie bić, no. No już, idę, już, no dobrze, kurde, już, no spokojnie, no niech...
Okay, Cardo.
There's no third lane here.
Karen thinks the driver shouldn't be so close to her. She feels like she's being restrained.
Yeah, read it then, you know that.
Who is wrong in this situation? Luckily, he is okay.
Possession of his camera that was riding his bike. It's pouring fuel on the exhaust.
The cyclist complained about the car driver who had parked in the bike lane. He was not giving back his lane, and the driver got angry.
What's that?
Knock on my f***ing car. Next time, you just pull up to the window and say something. Don't knock on my shit.
Why are you endangering people's
Knock
lives with
on
your...
my shit.
This machine
Don't
kills 40,000
knock on my
people. Why is misogyny called for? Your dog's very cute, sir.
Alright, man, who's your buddy?
What's up?
Who's your buddy?
What?
Cloud and sheets, a couple of motorcycles with their plates folded out. Who's your buddy, man?
I have no idea.
Oh, you want to play that game?
I seriously don't.
So you want the ticket for improper display instead, then?
Cop gets angry because another biker ran from him.
You know that just... Alright, man, do you have an idea on you?
Yeah, I do.
I mean, see, I was trying to be cool and just have him pull it down, but he wants to be an asshole about it.
Sorry, my bad.
Oh, hey,
my bad. I'm sorry.
What's going on?
Oh, it was. I couldn't figure out the fucking name. No, it's...
Every situation on the road has a story, not just mistakes, but karma, reminding us of the fragility of life. If this resonates with you, please like, subscribe, and follow me for the next video, where the lessons will go even deeper.